Hello guys, today I want to talk about evaluation of scalability in social media platforms, case study of Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. My name is Kazmarat Miraz. Let's start. Firstly, I want to introduce you with scalability metrics definition. First one is user growth rate. User growth rate measures the rate at which the platform user base is expanding over time. Rapid user growth can strain platform resources, affecting performance and scalability. For example, in my application, I have thousands of users. In next day, I will get 10,000. In this time, I can meet with some problems, so platforms must be able to handle increasing numbers of users without significant degradation in service quality. Next one is message throughput. Message throughput refers to the rate at which messages or posts are processed and delivered within the platform. High message throughput places demands on backend infrastructure such as servers, databases, and networking components. Scalability strategies must ensure efficient handling of message traffic to maintain responsiveness and reliability. Database size. Database size indicates the volume of data stored in the platform's databases, including user profiles, posts, media content, and metadata. As the database size grows, it can lead to increased latency in data retrieval and storage operations. Let me explain it. For example, I have 20 t-shirts and I want to find my favorite one between them. So let's look at when I have 1,000 t-shirts instead of 20. Of course, it will get much more time and less velocity. More time. So it is not efficiently. Scalability solutions like sharding, partitioning, or distributed database are necessary to manage large datasets effectively. Network traffic. Network traffic measures the amount of data transmitted between users and data platform servers, including requests, response, and media content. High network traffic can strain network infrastructure and impact latency reliability. Content delivery networks, caching, and load balancing techniques are employed to optimize network performance and scalability. Understanding the scalability metrics is crucial for assessing the scalability challenges faced by social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. These platforms must continuously monitor and manage these metrics to ensure optimal performance and scalability as they grow and evolve. Case study selection. There are three popular social media platforms with large user bases and complex architecture. First one is Facebook. With billions of active users worldwide, Facebook is one of the largest social media platforms. Twitter is another major social media platform with a large user base. Instagram owned by Facebook, is a popular photo and video sharing social network platform. These platforms have faced significant scalability challenges due to their rapid user growth and the need to handle large volumes of data and interactions. Analyzing the architecture designs and scalability strategies of these platforms can provide valuable insights into building and managing complex systems at scale. So, scalability analysis. Let's analyze the scalability strategies and techniques employed by three major social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, to handle rapid user growth and increasing workload demands. Of course, all of them have a lot of techniques, a big data of strategies, so I just take one of them. So for Facebook, it's sharding. sharding the dataset is divided into smaller subsets called shards. For example, we have a dataset and we divide it into small groups. I have 1,000 shorts and divide into groups, maybe by color, maybe by size. So it's kind of this process. The partitioning can be done based on various criteria such as a range of values, a hash of data, or a specific key. When a client application sends a query or request to the database, a shard key or routing mechanism is used to determine which shard contains the relevant data. So, in this time, we will do operation. We will do searching, not between thousands of t-shirts. We will just do it maybe 5, maybe 10. Depends for partitioning algorithm. So, of course, it will take high velocity, less time. So, for Twitter, it's caching. Caching works by storing frequently accessed data in a high-speed storage system such as RAM or SSD to reduce the time needed to retrieve the data from slower storage mediums like disk or network. When a request is made for cache data, it's served directly from the cache, avoiding the need to access the original data source, thereby improving performance and reducing latency. If you didn't get it, if I require the same response, I can't get it from server. I get it from cache. So for Instagram, it is asynchronic task quiz. Instagram uses asynchronic task quiz powered by systems like Celery and RabbitMQ to handle background tasks such as image processing, notification analysis. So it means I can do 2 or more operations at the same time. Of course, it will be faster. So performance benchmarking. So I do some analysis with special tool for Instagram, for Facebook, and for Twitter login pages. There is a conditions for good scalability. Evaluate whether the response time remains acceptable and throughput scales linearly with increasing user load. For Instagram, we can clearly see that when users when median response is growing throughput also is growing, so it's okay, and it takes not a lot of time. It's less than 1 second, so it's a good point. So for Facebook, it is the same thing, linearly growing, linearly increasing by median response. For Twitter, it looks like there is some random. For example, throughput is a constant, but median response decreasing, sometimes increasing. So I don't know how it works actually. So scalable platforms should be able to maintain consistent response times and handle higher throughput as the number of concurrent users increases. Access the error rates of each platform during benchmarking tests. High error rates such as but we can see for all of them successful is 100%, which means no error, no one errors. So case study evaluation and recommendations. There is some recommendations. We recommend we recommend you to use microservice architecture, use caches, use asynchronous processes. I hope you know what is it, because I pointed out it before. So use these strategies to scalability, and your application will work great and successful. So thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful for you, useful for you. So see you next time. Thank you.